guys, this is Cortez. Made it. Yeah, I'm in my pajamas. It's an early day. I woke up today and I saw a lot of snow on the ground. But you know what? You never miss your opportunity. So today, we're gonna learn how to make a snowman. Okay, so when you're making a snowman, you only need a few simple things: a hoodie, a hat, a scarf, and a pair of boots. So what you need right here is lots and lots of snow, and we got plenty of snow to work with. So let's get started. Okay, so the concept of building a snowman is really simple. It's really easy. And let me show you the concept right now. So the concept is simple. Take a snowball. You want to have a snowball. Usually the bottom, you're gonna start big. Then you get a smaller one. Put on top of that one. Then you get an even smaller one. And put it on that one. So the concept of a snowman is 3 layers, small to big. That's the concept. All right, we're gonna try to do that here. All right. Underline ball. So now I'm gonna work on the second one. Last snowball, which is the head, we did the legs, the torso, and now we're going to get the head. It starts to snow a little bit more, which is a good thing. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, it got pretty cold, so we came in for a minute, and just right on time, because now we're gonna go look around the house for miscellaneous items to build the face. So now you have the torso, you have the mid abdominal section. Now the snowman is almost around the house, and we found some miscellaneous items. We got this, it's like a cap or something. I'm gonna unscrew it and make that one of the eyes.
This part,
take this.
Basically, I was just going and putting on
don't forget
buttons and stuff for this.
Good for the body. This is for the other eye. And I'm gonna use this as a nice nose. My wife picked it out.
That's what I picked for the nose.
Nice nose. And then for his hat,
you gotta hold the back of it, because if you don't, it's gonna fall off and wobble.
Keep it warm.
buttons, you gotta screw those on. Did both of them at that point. You gotta pat snow on sometimes in order to get some traction or something to use. I took the nose back out and made them a little bit wider. I used little chest pieces, which was kind of hard, but I ended up in the end replacing it with a deodorant cap. It worked pretty good for like a smell. Like I said, I used the chest pieces, which is funny. Those are like little pawns. Poor little pawns. They're always being used anyway, in the game of chess. Which in my next video, or one of my next videos, I'll be making how to play chess for beginners. I hope everyone likes that. I'm sure you guys will. But yeah, chess pieces, they're kind of tough. Like I said, kind of like broke up the mouth with snow. They were hard to put in. So, like I said, I used a deodorant cap in the end. Make a little layer next underneath it. Kind of hold it in place. Alright. So here's the arms. Like I said, you might have to hold the opposite side. And I'm gonna stick them in like this to where his like arms are up. Take the other one. What I'm gonna do now, and I'm gonna take his vest. What I'm gonna do now is, it can't be a snowman without arms, right? So we're gonna try to find something to make arms. I decided that my snowman today was a safety guy. Because I couldn't find, pretty much because I couldn't find any buttons. Couldn't find enough buttons, so today is gonna be a safety guy. Also has his steel-toe boots. So after I got done, I started adding different jackets and hats and arms and stuff to the snowman. And you can just be creative as you want to. Remember, it's your snowman. And once again, this is Cortez made it. This is how to make a snowman. Either way, if you liked this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't forget to put comments down below how you make snowmans or how you imagine dressing it. All right.